Welcome to the ultimate luxury on wheels. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking masterpiece, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a futuristic luxury hotel and a mobile adventure machine. Get ready for a deep dive into the front, side, rear design, interior, and what powers this beast. Let's roll. The front of the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome immediately demands attention with its bold and aerodynamic presence. A massive grille takes center stage, featuring Mercedes' signature illuminated three-point star logo, flanked by sleek, futuristic LED headlights that curve seamlessly into the hood. The integrated daytime running lights add a touch of sophistication, while the aggressive bumper design hints at its off-road and long-distance travel capabilities. This is a front end that screams power and luxury while offering optimal airflow and efficiency for those epic road trips. Moving to the side, the motorhome continues to impress with its elongated yet sleek silhouette. Large panoramic windows dominate the design, offering breathtaking views from within. Retractable awnings provide shade during outdoor breaks, while the flush door handles and bold character lines give the vehicle a premium, yacht-like vibe. The massive alloy wheels feature a multi-spoke design that balances elegance and durability, perfect for handling diverse terrains. At the rear, the motorhome dazzles with its innovative lighting setup. Dual vertical LED taillights frame the wide rear end, giving it a distinctive and futuristic look, especially when lit up at night. The rear design also incorporates a subtle spoiler and a smartly integrated storage compartment for outdoor equipment. The Mercedes two-piature branding, a nod to its luxurious and adventurous ethos, is tastefully illuminated, ensuring this motorhome is as stunning to follow as it is to drive. Step inside, and you're transported to a world of unmatched luxury. The cabin boasts a spacious, open-plan design with premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and a stunning panoramic sunroof that brings the outdoors inside. The driver's cockpit is futuristic, featuring a dual-screen setup that combines navigation and entertainment. The state-of-the-art infotainment system, powered by Mercedes' MBUX technology, ensures seamless connectivity and control. Behind the cockpit lies a fully equipped living space. Think plush couches, a dining table, and a mini kitchenette with induction cooktops, a refrigerator, and ample storage. The motorhome even includes a luxury sleeping area and a compact bathroom with a rain shower. This interior is where functionality meets opulence, making long journeys not just comfortable, but indulgent. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome features a cutting-edge hybrid powertrain that combines a robust diesel engine with electric motors. This ensures unparalleled fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, while the all-wheel drive system guarantees stability and performance across all terrains. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling rugged trails, this motorhome is built to deliver a smooth and powerful ride. There you have it, the 2026 Mercedes Motorhome, redefining what it means to travel in style and comfort. What do you think about this incredible vehicle? Is it your dream home on wheels? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing automotive content. Until next time, happy travels.